Hey everyone. Hey everyone. So you can ask me anything. It's a career guidance session. Okay, so 52 guys are watching. Hey everyone. Hello Sumit, Sunita, Nick, Bharat. Watching from Kashmir. Okay, thanks. Okay, so Tech Kashmir is from Kashmir. Okay. Hello everyone. Okay, so this is a career guidance session. Like you guys can ask me anything related to IT networking. You can ask me related to cybersecurity. And so the first question I got it, Prashant. Okay, so what is prerequisite for Azure network? So Azure networking, to learn Azure networking, you need to learn Azure 104. Okay, and after that you have to go for Azure, I think 305, which is Azure Solution Architect. And after that you can go for Azure network course. Okay, so first basic Azure, which is 104, and after that Azure Solution Architect, and after that you can go for Azure Network Certification. Okay, so the next question. ओके आप लाइव क्लास एंडेड आ रहा है अमन मैं लाइव आया था सिर्फ 3-4 लोग आए तो मैंने क्लोज कर दिया था सो नेक्स्ट टाइम लाइक जब सारे होंगे तो सेशन करेंगे बट अभी भी लाइव ही हूं मैं कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो knock or data center job which is better to start career. So if you have option I would recommend you to go for like depends first of all how much salary you are getting. Okay, because in knock you are going to monitor the network, but in data center you are going to not monitor, like you are going to put the cables, you need to change the products. I think the better learning you will have in data center, because in data center you will definitely going to check how the actually devices are connected, and the future of like as you all know cloud is future, so most of the data center will have jobs. So I think you can go for data center if you have option. Okay, so technical Naved, cool name. So after plus two, which subject should go to become data science or cyber security? So after plus two, you can go for any IT degree. Like you can go for BCA, okay, which will not cost you a lot because BTech courses are costly. So आप BCA कर सकते हैं, और BCA आजकल क्या है बहुत सारे there are many colleges who are giving BCA in cyber security also. Okay, like MET University, and there are much affordable universities in India. Those who are providing cyber security bachelors. Okay, don't go for open. Open का इतना value नहीं है. Go for regular course. Okay. Okay, next question, Karan Rawat. Which course is preferred to telecom sector ISP? Karan, telecom is already on the already got impacted. So I would recommend you to not choose telecom. It's better to go for IP, like learn IT networking rather than going in telecom right now, because all the telecom sector is also on IP domain right now. So it means, in a simple word, like you can start learning network fundamentals, CCNA, CCNP, these courses rather than going for telecom. Okay, so Soumya Ranjan. Hi Soumya. So CCNA versus MCSA, which is better? See, both are important. So CCNA will help you to become a network engineer, and MCSA will help you to learn how to become a system admin, okay, how to configure Active Directory, how to manage all the company laptops, then you have to learn MCSA. Okay, you are going to configure Windows server, okay, and in CCNA you are going to configure router and switches, okay. So this is the major difference, okay. uh, okay, so okay, let me show you some practical thing, okay, so that you will get a proper guidance. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. Okay, so guys, so this is our lab access, by the way. Uh, okay, I have to share my screen. Okay, okay, so you guys can see my screen right now. Okay, and there are a lot of labs here. So in CCNA, you are going to learn all these configurations. Okay, like there is a router. Okay, so you will configure this router. So this is a switch, you are going to configure the switch. So router, switches, okay, so these devices you are going to configure. Okay, so if you don't know what is CCNA, CCNA is a course to become a network engineer. Okay, so in CCNA, like you are going to type these commands. Okay, like suppose if I want to change the router name. Okay, so consider this router is in Delhi office. So we need to connect this office with the internet. Okay, so we need to do some configuration. So these configurations are done by network engineers. Okay, so like enable, configure, terminal. Okay, so and after that, if I want to change the device name like Delhi router, okay, so this is I've done Delhi router. So basic configuration when you do on routers, switches, you become a associate network engineer, and when you do advanced type of configuration, you become network engineer. And when you configure some devices like firewalls, okay, so there are firewalls in market like Palo Alto firewall, pfSense, Checkpoint firewall. So when you configure firewall, then you become a network security engineer. So in whole your network world, you configure network devices, but there are some configurations because in companies you all have Windows system, right? All the employees have mostly Windows computer, and when all employees are managed from Windows server, okay, so like there is a Windows server. So take an example, all these computers. So all these are my employees' computers, and we are going to manage all these computers from this Windows server. So this is what you are going to learn in MCSA. Okay, so the certification got expired, but still the knowledge is more in demand because most of the companies have Active Directory in their company for next 2-3 years. Still MCSA is going to work. Okay, I hope you got the idea what is the difference between CCNA and MCSA. So basically there is no comparison. CCNA will help you to become a network engineer. MCSA will help you to become a system admin. But if you are a fresher, you guys can go for CCNA and Windows Server combo, and you can apply for networking and system admin jobs. And there is high chance you will get more jobs if you learn CCNA with Windows Server. Okay, and Linux is also an advantage. Okay, so that's the thing. So let's go further. Beluha Rani. Okay. CompTIA Network Plus or CCNA and CompTIA Security or Certified Ethical Hacking. Definitely it's CompTIA. So when, so let me tell you. So when you enroll for any program at networkings, okay, I'm just giving an idea for networkings. I don't know about others. Okay, so when you enroll for any program at networkings, okay, so by the way, guys, my CCNA CCNP batch is coming on 19 November. So if anybody wants to join, I'll share the like how you can contact networkings in the last in end of this session. Okay, we'll do another 15-20 minutes, and then I'll uh, discuss about this program what I'm starting from 19 November. Okay, so the guys who don't know, my name is Atul. Okay. Okay, so I was saying when you enroll for any CCNA program, so you get CompTIA Network Plus complimentary videos from networking. Means all the network fundamentals. So Network Plus is very basic. Okay, so like what should I say? Like you can get this course like very affordable. CompTIA network course is a very basic course. CCNA is an advanced level of course, okay? And same like CompTIA security is basic and certified ethical hacking is a better course. So I would go for CCNA and ethical hacking if I'm from IT background. But if you are not from IT background, you can learn Network Plus and Security Plus. Okay. Okay, so after that we have a question. What is the future of CCNA? The next question is, what is the future of CCNA? So future is a all depends on there are three fields. See, there is there are three technologies right now in the market: networking, cybersecurity, and cloud. Okay, so all three are almost linked with each other. So if you want to become a cloud security engineer, you have to have knowledge of cybersecurity. If you want to deploy router and switches in a cloud, you want to secure your company network, maybe you have to learn more till next 4 or 5 years networking courses as well, like CCNA, CCNP, firewalls, and then you can move into cloud. Okay, many of my friends who have 10 plus years of experience, they were working in networking domain and now they are shifting to cybersecurity and cloud also. Okay, so future of CCNA, I can't comment on CCNA, but yes, networking will have a bright future because network devices are connecting day by day, but you need to learn automation. Okay, तो आपको automation सीखना पड़ेगा थोड़ा बहुत आने वाले टाइम में. अभी भी सीख रहे हैं लोग, बट आने वाले 4-5 साल में ज्यादा चीजें सीखनी पड़ेंगी नेटवर्किंग में अगर जॉब को सेफ रखना है. Okay, but networking is obviously there are a lot of technologies in networking. All the ISP networks today. Okay, ISP के जितने भी network है like Airtel, Jio, AT&T, Sprint. So these companies are not working on any kind of automation. Still, ISP companies are going to be safe for next 10 years. An enterprise network is okay for 3 to 4 years. But the same example I have given earlier also, like 20 years back. Okay, so when the accountants were used to make ledgers, okay, they do manual entries to manage the accounts, but after that a lot of softwares came in the market like QuickBooks, Tally, and now accountants should have a knowledge of Tally or QuickBooks so that they can do their job very well. The same goes to networking. So if you want to earn and if you want to do good in networking, you have to learn automation in future. Okay, so you need to learn programming for like 8 to 10%, 10%, but not 100%. So some guys are getting worried how we will learn coding. So you do not have to learn coding 100%. You just you need to understand the code. Okay, same goes in DevOps also. In DevOps also, like you do not have to code actually. You just need to learn how what is this code and what is the use of this code. You are not going to become developer if you choose a DevOps or networking in future. Okay, I hope I have given your correct answer. Future is very bright. Okay, but I can't. CCNA is a 20 years old certification. 20 साल से चल रहा है CCNA, तो obviously 20 साल पुरानी चीज एकदम नहीं बंद हो सकती, right? Okay, any future CCNA batch? Aditya, I have a batch if you guys want to join CCNA, CCNP, and RC. I do not teach only CCNA now because CCNA will give you very little information about networking. And this is why I'm taking a combo of CCNA and CCNP and RC. And to make this course affordable, we have not added CCNP and core because in CCNP there are two modules, and core and RC. But in CCNA and CCNP and RC, you will get enough knowledge so that you can start your career as a network engineer. Okay, but I would still recommend you all to go for master programs. So master program is for beginners or anyone who is in IT, those who want to upgrade their career. So I would recommend you all to choose this program that is called a network engineer master program, which is a combination of CCNA, CCNP. These two batches I'm going to take. तो ये दो बैच मैं लेने वाला हूँ, CCNA, CCNP. Okay, and this firewall you will be going to learn from network security engineer. So in combination you are going to learn 3 programs. Okay, and from 19th November we are going to start this batch. So if you want to enroll for this batch, you need to fill your details here. Okay, name, email ID, phone, and course interested. Please choose this option, Network Engineer Master Program. Okay, so this is how you can apply for this program, and you will get full information to join Network Engineer program. So let me share this link, and then we'll continue. Okay, so I have pinned the comment also here. You can check. Okay, so coming back. Okay, so I'm currently working as a network engineer L1, but currently, uh, but working on L2, L3. I only done CCN and routing switching. Now I want to make career in security. Please tell me the right option for me. So if you have done CCNA, like if you have very good knowledge of CCNA, then you directly go and learn CCNP security, or you can choose firewalls like Palo Alto, Checkpoint, F5. Okay. So when I give a guidance and when I show my website, so I'm not saying that only join networkings. That depends on you. Okay, but I'm giving you a guidance like if you want to. Right now, Tech Kashmir asked me that he has done CCNA, but what should he do to become a network security engineer? So I would recommend you to take this kind of combo, which is like network security engineer, or so where you are going to learn about CCNP, okay, and core. Okay, in network engineer program you learn CCNP and RC, but in network specialist program you learn CCNP and core, which is a like combo of multiple routing switching technologies, and you will get more knowledge than CCNA. And here you are going to learn Palo Alto firewall and Checkpoint firewall, plus you are going to learn F5 load balancer, F5 local traffic manager. So this is a mistake from our team. We have to fix this. So this F5 is not a firewall, this is a local traffic manager, which is a load balancer. So if you want to become a network specialist and already you guys have CCNA knowledge, then you have to fill this form and you have to choose here network specialist. Okay. So just choose this one only, network engineer. Okay. We'll this one, firewall combo, Palo Alto. Yeah, so here just to scroll up. So firewall combo, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, F5. Okay. So just use the same link what I have already given. Okay, use the same link what I have pinned, and there you just need to say that I want to learn Palo Alto, Checkpoint, F5. Okay, why less job for freshers cloud domain? Abdul, cloud is actually not very mature right now. Okay, so there are jobs in market, but mostly they are for cloud support jobs. Okay, like have you heard about IT jobs? IT jobs के बारे में, IT support, desktop support. Okay, the same type of jobs are there in cloud also, like cloud support or cloud support engineer. Okay, so because cloud is a platform. Cloud is a platform. You still need to learn the technology. You still need to learn Linux. You still need to configure routers, which is firewall in cloud. So learning cloud will not help you to become expert. You need to choose a technology between networking, okay, or maybe cloud, or no, sorry, networking, cybersecurity, or maybe you need to learn Linux. Okay, so you need to learn the technology, then you shift to cloud, like AWS is your. ऋषिकेश एमसीए डिग्री कर रही हूँ. ओके, अच्छी बात है, तालियां ऋषिकेश के लिए. एमसीए कर रही है. Okay, so why less job for fresher? I have already answered. As a fresher, which is good? NOC job, knock job, or network engineer on field job? Field or a Fahad, can you please check it is on or? Okay, so if you are asking me knock job or a network engineer job, so I would go for a network engineer job. But if it is field, अगर network engineer की job field वाली है तो मैं knock को choose करूंगा. Okay, so if you get a job of knock or network engineer, go for network engineer. But if you are getting a network engineer field job, which is not actually network engineer job, that is like a network technician job. तो जो नेटवर्क इंजीनियर फील्ड वाला काम है वो नेटवर्क टेक्नीशियन होते हैं, इंजीनियर नहीं होते वो. ठीक है. तो फिर टेक्नीशियन से बढ़िया है कि नॉक में ही काम करो, ठीक है। Okay, so what is the benefit of AWS and SD-WAN? So Sunita, AWS and SD-WAN is a advanced course. You need to tell me what is your background, or like you have to say in the comment that I have done CCNA, CCNP, and I am looking for SD-WAN. So because if you are a fresher, if you are asking me this benefit of AWS SD-WAN, that for freshers, AWS SD-WAN is not going to help you. Okay, so you need to learn from the basics. Okay, which courses study after CCNA? Raj, like if you want to get into just if you want to get a job, okay, so you can learn Windows Server. Okay, CCNA आप कर चुके already. You have done CCNA. You can go for Windows Server and also learn Linux. Okay, which will help you to apply for multiple jobs. Okay, but if you have already decided that you want to become a network engineer, then go for CCNP. ओके एंड फायरवॉल्स। सो अगर आपको नेटवर्क इंजीनियर बनना है तो सीसीएनपी फायरवॉल कर लो, और अगर आपको सिर्फ जॉब लगना है अभी तो विंडोज सर्वर और लाइनक्स कर लो सीसीएनए के साथ। ओके, सो हेलो सर, आई एम वर्किंग इन आईटी सपोर्ट फ्रॉम 8 years. I am interested in networking. If I enter in networking field with minimum CCNP in routing switching, what is the scope for? Please advise. So Barin, hi. So what I recommend you, don't just go for CCNP, always add firewall. Like there is a program what I have already mentioned here, network engineer. So you can choose this program and you just ask team that I want to go for this program, network specialist, because you already have CCNA knowledge. But if you do not have CCNA knowledge, then go for this network engineer master program. Okay, so again I'm telling you, if you have any better company which will help you to learn this, go and learn these technologies like CCNA, CCNP and firewall. But if you want to learn from engineers, you can contact us. We provide engineers who will actually help you and getting good salary in the market, because they will teach you according to industry. Okay, that's the beauty, that's the USP, that's the like most important thing at networking, is that you are going to learn from engineers. Okay, whether it is any course, CCNA or CCNP or firewall. Okay, is a CCNA and CCNP helpful someone who is more focusing towards cloud solution architect, AWS and Azure? Cloud solution architect, Forex, can you please tell me what you have done in the past? Because if you have already experience, then maybe CCNA, CCNP is not required. But if you are a beginner, maybe just CCNA is Windows Server and Linux will be enough to get into cloud. Okay, you need to tell me what you have done earlier. Okay, ऋषिकेश सर, एमसीए से डिग्री कर रहा हूँ, मुझे कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर एंड रिपेयर 2 ईयर है थोड़ा, बट नेटवर्किंग का नॉलेज है। मेरे लिए बेस्ट नेटवर्किंग कोर्स कौन सा रहेगा, प्लीज गाइड मी। ऋषिकेश, मुझे लगता है कि सबसे पहले तो लाइक यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड नेटवर्किंग एंड हार्डवेयर इज टू डिफरेंट थिंग. Okay, this is long time back. Like there were some training centers in India, those who were promoting hardware and networking. But hardware is a completely different thing. Like you actually repair the things. Okay, that is hardware, and which is very low paying job. And networking is a high paying job. Networking has a bright future. Okay, so do not compare hardware with networking. Okay, so that days are gone, the companies are gone. Okay, so आपको पहले समझना है कि मुझे नेटवर्किंग करना है. ओके, तो पहले पूरा गाइडेंस लो किसी से अच्छे से. ओके, आप हमारी टीम को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, वी विल हेल्प यू. ओके, तो आप पहले डिसाइड करो आपको करना क्या है. ओके, एमसीए is definitely a good degree, right? You have done master degree, but you need to choose the right course for you, and this is why we have like around 30 plus guys in our team, those who are going to help you in choosing the right program, because we train them and we tell them that how to guide you personally. Okay, because we trainers, we engineers can't go on calls every day. That's why we have made a team, and they are actually helping people to guide you. Okay, but still, if you are not satisfied, okay, with my team and the guidance, then you can contact me on LinkedIn. Okay, you can find me with my name Atul Sharma. Okay, so Logesh, which is better, CCNP plus Python or CCNP plus AWS? Logesh, CCNP plus Python for network engineers, not Python. Okay, so there are two Python in the market today. One is called Python for network engineers. Okay, so let me show you. So this is Python for network engineer. Okay, so this is the program you need to learn, Python for network engineers. Okay, not just Python. So where you are going to learn this Python API, Cisco APIs, all these things in DevOps, and with the Cisco virtualized and all. So it's a combination of multiple things. But yes, CCNP and Python for network engineers, this combo is very good. So if you have little experience in networking. Okay, so which certification is best? CCNA, ACSA, or ACSA is, I think you are asking me, Aruba certification, I think. So certification is always, Cisco certifications are always best. Okay, but if you want, you can go for CCNA and NSC4. Okay, so and so अगर आपने एक ही एग्जाम देना है, if you want to just give one exam, then I would recommend you to go for NSC4. Okay, because that's a firewall certification which will actually help you. You can easily justify your CCNA knowledge if you have firewall certification in hand. Okay, but yes, Cisco certifications are in demand. Okay, so if you ask me one certification, I would not choose any three. I will go for CCNP. तो अगर आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो मैं तीनों में से कुछ भी ना करता, मैं CCNP का सर्टिफिकेशन देता, बिकॉज CCNP is a professional level certification and it will actually put a lot of impact in your resume. Okay, so if you want to add CCNP in your resume, which will actually help you to get up to 15 to 20 lakh CTC also with the only CCNP with some firewall knowledge. How to join live session? Currently this I'm not doing any okay, you are asking me to join live classes. So if you want to join live classes, then I have already mentioned a link. There is a pin comment here. Okay, click here and you can contact us and we will help you to get enrolled for any live batch. Okay, so why cybersecurity and cloud has more money than compared to networking? Amit, ऐसा नहीं है. Many people are just getting 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs in cybersecurity, and many guys are in networking getting 50 lakhs also. It depends on your profile. Okay, so like take an example. Many lawyers are getting more money than doctors. Yes or no? You will say yes. And many doctors are earning more than lawyers. Obviously, so that depends on the quality of engineer. So cybersecurity, cloud, networking, you should not compare fields. Okay, so it's like you are comparing lawyers, doctors, and maybe any good profile. Okay, so cybersecurity is also highly paid, cloud is also highly paid, networking is also highly paid. It depends on the quality of engineer. So if you are average engineer, you will not earn in any field. अगर आप average learner हो, अगर आप normal knowledge रखते हो, तो आप किसी भी field में भी average ही रहोगे. Okay, but if you have high potential, then you will learn in any field. Okay, you can go up to 50 lakhs, 70 lakhs in networking also. People in Cisco, Juniper Networks, Palo Alto, in these companies, people are earning 50 lakhs plus with 10 plus years experience. Okay. Okay, Salman Atar. I'm doing job as an engineer from last 5 years, but there is not using any Cisco devices such as router switches. Okay, Salman. So what they are using? IT engineer. Okay, so you have done some. Okay, so you have 5 years IT experience, but you have not configured router switches. And if I apply for job experience, then experience will not good. So actually, if you have very high salary, then there is a matter of concern. But if you have like 5 or 6 lakh CTC, still you can join this network engineer program and will train you in such a way that you can apply for 7 8. And also if you are from IT, then you can choose cybersecurity program, which will actually help you to get into cybersecurity, because you already have 5 years IT experience, and cybersecurity is like a new era. Okay, cybersecurity का एक नया वो चल रहा है मार्केट में कि cybersecurity is getting on boom and cloud. So if you have IT experience and if you have good CTC already, like 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, more than that, then you can switch to cyber security, because many people who have 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs CTC in India, they are also moving to cyber security slowly. They are transitioning into cyber security from network engineer. Okay, like certified ethical hacking, CompTIA, CISA, pen test. So this is the program which is a combo of like multiple certifications. That's our cybersecurity master program. We could not join from networking app. No, I'm not doing a live session on my mobile app right now. Okay, I have better knowledge, CCN and CCNP, also 1 year experience. Okay, so but company didn't give me experience later because I have break the bond. And can I mention experience in my resume or not? Still finding a job. Okay, that's a problem. Okay, no worries, Ajay. So you can tell them that because of Corona. Okay, actually you have to say little what we call. Okay, that depends. If you left the job during Corona, you can tell them that I left the job because of Corona, and that's why like I was not able to manage my job, and because of medical issue, they have not given me experience letter. Okay, so you can just give any details, but they will verify. Actually, that's the problem. And maybe if you have given some other reason in that company, they will cross verify. So tell them honestly that because of some issue I have to leave my job, and now I really want to make my career. Okay, but make sure you learn the concepts very well, you crack interview very well, then only you can, they are going to take this kind of excuse. Okay. Okay, so next question, mitigation. After learning CCNA, what will be the roadmap to get into good company? So mitigation trader. Okay, so guys, try to take your use such, you guys have such beautiful names, so I would recommend you to always create a YouTube ID with your name. Okay, because I do not feel like your name is mitigation trader. Okay, so no worries. So your question is, I want to get into good company. So first you need to decide, you want to get into network world or you want to go in any other field like cyber security or cloud. Then you can choose the programs like here, like there is a program network engineer for combo. You can choose cybersecurity also. If anyone, those who love cybersecurity, you can go for this cybersecurity combo also. Okay, so very soon guys, we are planning for DevOps. So those who are interested in DevOps, just put down in the comment in the live chat so that we can read and start a DevOps master program also. Okay, so first batch of DevOps will be announcing very soon. That will be in Hindi. तो हम एक DevOps बैच बना रहे हैं जो 7 महीने 8 महीने चलेगा. बिल्कुल जीरो से शुरू करेंगे, लाइनेक्स क्या होता है और उसमें फिर डॉकर, कुबरनेटीज, ओके, टेराफॉर्म, all these technologies will come. Okay, but you have to show me the interest level. Let me put down a poll, how many of you are interested if we start DevOps. Okay, so DevOps, so say yes or no. Okay, so the next question, network engineer alternative program in industry, cyber security. Okay, if you are a fresher, cyber security, and if you have experience, then cloud. Aditya, we do not share the cost on live sessions. I would recommend you to fill the form from here. Okay, and you can contact our team and we will guide you. So as a fresher, which is good, knock job or network engineer job? I have already answered. Now I'm working as a network engineer. What will all the basic need to go for Azure? Okay, Neelkanta, directly you can start Azure 104. Okay, directly you can learn Azure 104. Sir, I'm working desktop engineer. Next, what will I do for best career? नीरज, आपको जानना है खुद थोड़ा देख के कि मुझे क्या करना है. Okay, so there are a lot of things. Like if you want to choose, like after IT support, you can go for networking, you can go for cloud. Okay, you can go for coding as well. Okay, you need to decide where you want to go. Okay, because every field, first of all, guys, most of us, most of Indians, they are confused and they always ask me कि किस कोर्स का स्कोप है. Okay, so हर चीज का स्कोप है यार, तभी वो मार्केट में है. That's why that technology is still in the market. Networking is also good, cyber security is good also, cloud is also good. You need to choose first, okay, your interest level. Just watch videos on our channel, okay, or maybe any other channel, and find your interest level. Okay, watch some networking fundamental videos, watch some cyber security videos, and watch also cloud videos, and then find your interest level where you are getting. So let me tell you about myself. Okay, I do not have interest in right now in cyber security. Okay, but it does not mean cyber security is not good. And there is one of my good friend, like Adhirath and Sukesh, like they are trainers of networking also, and they have very good interest in cyber security. So that totally depends on our interest level. Okay, so don't just listen your friends, right? Most of them, they say okay, iska value nahi hai. And maybe just like if you join any normal company and some seniors, like 1 or 2 years, 3 year experience seniors, they guide you, okay, networking has no scope. Okay, the people who are not actually from networking are telling that networking has no scope. Okay, either they are paying, they are getting very low salaries, or either they do not know the actual value of networking, cloud, and cyber security. Okay, so every field is in demand. We need to become a perfect engineer. We need to gain right skills, right time, at right time. तो अगर आप सही टाइम पे सही चीजें सीख लेते हो तो आप सैलरी में जाओगे ही जाओगे आगे, राइट? Okay, so I'm doing CCNA from networking. So I want to make my career in SQL Microsoft endpoint configurations. So Son Chan BX, I don't know your exact name. So we do not have SQL right now, but if you want to go for that, you need to look for SQL, whatever you are asking for. Okay. So if you have already decided that you want to get into SQL Microsoft endpoint configuration, so try to look for these things. And if you have any better recommendation, we can also start this program. You need to share some details, more details about this program. Okay, what is this? Okay. Hi sir, I'm working in telecom. 7-year experience, but not in networking. If I want to get in networking, then please suggest courses and duration. So Nilesh, many people from telecom, they join network engineer programs. So most of them, they join this program initially. Okay, it depends on your salary. Okay, because many people from telecom, they had very good salaries, like 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 18 lakhs also, because we have trained them. So initially they started with this network engineer program, like CCNA, CCNP, firewall and all. Okay, so after that they moved to these programs also, like CCNP data center, and some of them have also learned CCNP service provider. Okay, so let me show my screen. Yeah, so you can see we have, so you have to go for this network engineer. This is a 6 months program where you learn CCNA, CCNP, firewall. Okay, and also after that, if you have high salary already, अगर आपका salary already बहुत high है telecom में और आपको shift करना है, then you can go for with this program you can choose a CCNP data center also. Okay, and we will give you this service provider as well. Okay, so the link already shared in the YouTube here. Okay, so you can just click here. Okay, once you click here, you will be redirected to a page. Okay, and there you need to choose that I want to go for this network engineer master program. Okay, okay, let's go further. Yes, CCNA done 4-year experience. Sunita, then you can go for CCNP. Okay, then go for like SD-WAN. Okay, but if you want to get into security also, then go for CCNP, firewall, then SD-WAN. Because in SD-WAN, you are going to learn IPsec tunnels. Okay, you are going to learn about TLS, transport layer security. So directly, if you learn SD-WAN, SD-WAN trainer is not going to teach you IPsec in detail. And then maybe you are not able to clear IPsec interviews, right? So learn any firewall and then go for SD-WAN. If you do not want to go for routing switching again. But SD-WAN is built on MPLS and OSPF and BGP, and they have in Cisco there is another protocol OMP, overlay management protocols, right? So you need to have a OSPF, BGP, MPLS kind of knowledge, then go for SD-WAN. And if you learn any firewall or maybe CCNP security, then it is a advantage for you. So in simple, so do let me make it simple for you. So CCNP, okay, and choose any one firewall and then go for SD-WAN. This is going to be your career path. Which good security or networking? Again, guys, don't ask me general questions. Okay, every field is good. Again, I'm saying. Okay, thanks, Raj. So what all network technologies, tools are used in ISP networks? How to shift to on ISP network jobs? So Yashwant, after CCNP, okay, once you learn CCNA, CCNP enterprise, then you have to learn CCNP service provider. In CCNP service provider, you are going to learn MPLS. You are going to learn segment routing, which is the future of ISP networks. So segment routing, you need to have at least a basic idea what is segment routing, what is traffic engineering, and what is MPLS. Okay, and additionally you should have IS protocol knowledge. Okay, OSPF, BGP you will learn in CCNP, but in CCNP service provider you will have MPLS, traffic engineering, segment routing, and some kind of VPNs like L3 VPN, L2 VPN, quality of service. तो काफी सारी चीजें आप सीखते हो तब आप ISP में जॉब लग सकते हो, like if you want to shift into ISP. Okay, you can try Colt. Okay, you can try multiple companies are there like Orange. Okay, Airtel, Jio. Okay, uh, Century Link, Level 3. All the ISPs are in India right now. Most of them have. I have 1 year experience as a NOC engineer. What should be my next step? Naveed, where are you working? Maybe if you're working for Airtel and all. Definitely, see guys, if you're already working, don't be in the comfort zone. You have to learn CCNA, CCNP. अगर आपका अभी तक किसी का भी जो नेटवर्किंग में उनको बोल रहा हूँ, those who are in networking, let me tell you, you have to learn CCNA, CCNP very well. Because if you do not learn CCNA, CCNP very well, like there is going to be like problem for you, because most of the interviewers are going to ask you OSPF, they are going to ask you BGP also sometimes, they are going to ask you MPLS also sometimes. Okay, so you have, if you making your career into networking और अगर आपका CCNA CCNP अच्छा नहीं है तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. Okay, do not run for advanced courses, do not just go and learn SD-WAN directly if you do not have CCNA CCNP knowledge. Okay. Okay, so guys, so those who want to join my batch directly, if you guys want to learn from me, okay, so I'm educator and founder of Networkings. So and I have around 11 years of experience, and I really love training people. I have trained thousands of network engineers, okay, in last 7-8 years, okay, and with around 12 years of industry experience. Okay, so if you guys want to join, like you can join my this batch. We are going to start from 19th November. Okay, that's Saturday Sunday batch 9:30 to 12. So we learn from 9:30 to 12 so that you do not disturb your family. You still enjoy with your family on Saturday Sunday. Okay, and do your classes around 9:30, and this is around 2 to 2.5 hours, and the timing is Indian timings, Indian standard timing. Okay, and those who are not comfortable with English, do not worry, you can ask me some questions in Hindi as well. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं पूरा ही अंग्रेज हूँ, ठीक है? तो जब भी आपको लगे आप हिंदी में भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो, एंड we will be speaking in Indian accent only, okay, because we are not from US, Canada, so English is our second language. But we'll try best. If you are not from India or any Asian country, still we'll try to manage your language, okay. We'll try to speak in such a way that you will also understand, okay. So if anybody is not from India and those who are listening, so you need to learn technology, right? So language is definitely the second thing. So trust me, when you join this batch, you will be going to become a highly paid network engineer. Okay, so that's the thing, and this knowledge will actually help you for next 5 years, 10 years, or maybe 15 years. Okay, and if you miss any live class, we will be giving you video recording as well, and also most of you are going to get, all of you are going to get lab access also. So those who want to join this batch also, I've already mentioned this link. Okay, so you guys need to click on the YouTube link and fill this form. Okay, so let's go further. AWS any degree? I don't know like what you are asking, Akash. Please ask again. Puneet, का क्या क्वेश्चन है? Puneet, I'm working on router layer 2. Guys, don't type just one liners, okay? पूरी line लिखो. Please make a videos on TCP. Okay, just hold on. Okay, I work on router 2. Which course is better for career growth? CCNP, firewalls, okay, for SD-WAN, Python for network engineers, CCNP security, CCNP data center. Okay, so all the technologies basically one by one or maybe two at a time max. ओके, एक या दो कोर्सेज तक आप एक साथ कर सकते हो मैनेज, पर ऐसा नहीं कि 5-6 चीजों में एक साथ हाथ डाल दो. सीखना तो फिर भी एक दो दो करके ही है. ओके, okay, so Ajay Dandia, please make a video on TCP header in details like IP header uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so guys, what we started at Networkings, we have done a lot of like hard work in last 9-10 years. Okay, so what we found, like most of our content like is on top right now. If you search CCNA, CCNP, like most of our videos are on the top. Okay, but some videos are actually have a lot of good content, but people are not able to understand which videos are important and which videos are not important. So we starting YouTube membership also, okay, where you will get access to 500 plus videos. Okay, so we started Networkings YouTube membership also, so where you will get 500 plus videos. Okay, unlock 500 plus videos with 89 rupees per month. Okay, and you open 1500 plus videos around, actually it's not 1500, let be honest with you, it's like right now we are uploading a lot of content. Okay, but yes, this is not the same what we provide like in the full course of Networkings. Okay, we will be giving you top notch content here also, but it's not like 100 hours of full course we are uploading. We will give you enough information so that like we will give you good kind like BGP, lot of things. Okay, let me show you. Uh, where is networking? Yeah. Okay, so when you go to the home page, okay, so you see like member only videos. Okay, so these videos will be unlocked for you. Okay, so you can see how to manage network devices, VPN IPsec, how to configure BGP, how to. This is a 3 hours session on SD-WAN. This is a like 8 hours firewall course. Earlier it was not in the this. So we have CCNA, which is 17 hours. The first part is free, which is 9 hours, and the remaining 9 hours are for members. Okay, like 17 hours of CCNA. But in live training, we provide 60-70 hours of CCNA content. Okay, तो live में हम 70 घंटे पढ़ाते हैं. तो वीडियोस यूट्यूब में हम लाइक जो भी बेस्ट मटेरियल है वो हम डाल रहे हैं, बट 70 घंटे डालना टफ है. ओके, बिकॉज we have to do a lot of editing. Okay, we are creating animation videos also, like how SD-WAN works. Okay, some English videos, OSI model. So there are a lot of content what we are uploading only for the members also. Okay, you can see. Okay, like how to set up 𝐍𝐤𝐳𝐬. Okay, so there are some videos like Ethernet frame header if anybody wants to learn. GRE tunneling, BGP best path selection, policy based routing, IP SLA topic. Okay, so most of the videos are in English and Hindi mix. Okay, so correct. In today only we have uploaded around 40 plus videos, and very soon we will make it 500 plus, 1000 plus also. Okay, and okay, so those who want to join the membership, it's because it's difficult to create a platform like Netflix. It's very difficult for us to create a platform like Amazon Prime. So that's why we are using YouTube membership only, and it's a good way where we can help you. We will give you priority to your comments also, and also if you take the second one, which is access to 1500 videos, we will also give you 15% discount on our live courses. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. So member only live chats, member only live streams, much premium content. Suppose we are starting a batch. Okay, तो सोचो हमने एक batch शुरू किया सीखने का. So when you will be part of membership perks, okay, so maybe for first 5 days, 7 days content we are going to give in the membership perks. Okay, in the guys who are taken the memberships. Okay, so this is just to support